What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to continue the exterior mods for the 9.3 and we are going to be doing some more fitting with the honeycomb to the lower grill part, and then we're going to start to do some carbon fiber parts. And this is something that I really like to work with. I love the result of it. So I'm going to show you what we are going to do today, and then I'm going to add a free giveaway to one of you subscribers. And the rules for this is just simply you have to be a subscriber, you have to leave a comment down below, you will type "Give me carbon" and you will enter the giveaway. And then I will pick a winner. I will do small notes on everybody's nicknames or names, and then I will mix it up and just randomly pick one. And the part I'm doing is a cover for the engine. Let me show you. I'm going to make one of these for myself, covered in carbon fiber. So I thought I had some spares laying around, so I thought I will do one more and give it away to one of you. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, the US, the UK, Finland, wherever, you all can enter and I will ship this part for free to you. The only thing is like taxes for your country or additional costs for importing it to your country and stuff like that, that I will not pay for, but I will pay for the shipping, and I will make the part for you. So that will be quite exciting, and you will follow the progress here on the channel. Like I said, all you have to do is subscribe, leave a comment, and it's also nice if you like the video. So let's go! This is the result of the grill parts. Came out quite nice, a little bit of shine to it. So these are the parts that we are going to make carbon fiber out of. So this lower lip here is going to get carbon fiber, and we also going to have to cut all these ribbons out and fit the honeycomb mesh or net in here. Then this cover is for me, and this cover will be for you. You could actually choose. I have some different of these tags. You can have a 2-liter turbo, 2.3 liter turbo, so I got some different, and I got a few more on the shelf. And these are the mirror caps for the 2003 9.3 that we're working on, and this is mirror caps for the convertible. So all of these parts are going to be the regular black carbon fiber, and for the convertible we are going to use this blue, which I think will be really awesome, and I hope the color matches the car somewhat. So first off, we are going to cut out everything here and fit the honeycomb net. Then we're just going to prep all these parts for some epoxy, and then we will get things going. parts are prepped and ready to go. I have like all these little stations around in the garage, and I have cut some carbon fiber cloth for the parts. So now I'm going to mix up some epoxy, and then I will do a thin layer that will act as a tack coat for the carbon fiber cloth, and then I will lay down an additional coat over it. Then it will cure, fully cure, then sand down just the surface a little bit, and then it's on and on a couple of layers of epoxy, and then finally some clear coat. So So the most crucial part about this is done. The cloth is really fragile before you lay it down, and when you have got to this stage, when the first layer of epoxy is on, then it's good. So I'm gonna let this fully cure, then sand it a little bit, and then continue with a numerous amounts of layers. But I think it came out pretty nice. There are some small nicks and knacks here and there, but when when the clear coat is on and everything is sanded down, it will look really nice. And here you can see it folded, but it doesn't matter that much because I'm going to sand this down, and it won't be visible anyways, so I have to lower the car really low to the ground so you don't see this. But anyways, that's it for today. My thought with these videos is to keep a little bit of a tempo in the videos so you get to see what's going on. So we don't have the finished product yet, but it's soon to come. So I hope you enter for the free giveaway. As I said, there is no like hook to it. You won't get charged anything extra or any company behind this. This is all on me because I want to give you something. So I hope you enter the free giveaway, and I hope you like this episode and you stay tuned to the channel, and I will see you soon again. Bye!